हो गया शायर?
शायर अपसेट है। नादान इतराती है, बन खाती है, चली जाती है, नजरें नहीं मिलाती। मिर्जा नौशा नजमुद्दौला दबीरुल मुल्क असदुल्लाह खान गालिब ने मुझे कहा है, और भी दुनिया में बंदर बहुत अच्छे हैं, और भी दुनिया में बंदर बहुत अच्छे, तू क्या प्यार करेगा बच्चे? खई खई।
Anyways, our next contestant is not a singer, neither is he a dancer, and he's not even a comedian. If you guys want to know, let's hear it for Mohammed.
Put your hands together, please. Please, for
Mohammed Khwaja Talha.
Khwaja Talha.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Talha Khwaja, and my talent is whistling, and I'm doing BPM. The audition was really great. I had a good response from the judges as well as the students of media sciences who were sitting over there. So it was good, and I'm also looking for the finals and practicing for the new songs so I can win.
So judges, what do you have to say about it?
First of all, it was awesome and it was really good. It was really good. And Why did you choose whistling? Why did you choose like तुम गा सकते हो, तुम्हारे में वो नोट सेंस है जो एक सिंगर के पास नहीं होती normally. You have the note sense. You have. I can see you when you were whistling. Your hands were on the mic and you were singing the notes and moving the basically आप उसको कर रहे थे पूरा अपने हाथों से. तो क्यों आप गाते क्यों नहीं हैं?
Actually, I've never been a singer, you know.
Close to the mic, please.
I've never been a singer. मैं हमेशा से मतलब 4 to 5 when I was in my 5th class तब से मतलब whistling ही मैं करता हूँ. Not a singer.
But
I'm not a singer.
You should try. It was awesome. It was great. But होता यही है कि आप अगर कहीं perform भी करने जाएंगे तो you can perform one song or maybe half of the song. But it was awesome. I will use you in my song for like a minute or two. I don't mind. It was great.
Sir, you have it. You seriously have it.
Thank you.
I loved it. It's so out of the box. मैंने किसी को इस तरह कभी विसल में पूरा गाना गाते हुए नहीं सुना और बहुत मुश्किल नोट से जो आप हिट कर रहे थे. ठीक है? I loved it.
Thank you.
And I bet you can sing. I bet you can sing. If you try, you can, for sure you can sing. Loved it.
और बहुत अच्छा था यार, बहुत सही पिच थी तुम्हारी, सही टच करते हो सारे नोट्स, बिल्कुल सही पड़ा. और मेरे ख्याल से विसल ऐसी करते हैं कि कोई लड़की भी मेरे ख्याल से ऑफेंड नहीं होगी इसकी विसल पे. पहला बंदा है यार तुम. और मैं ये सोच रहा था कि शावर में तुम बहुत देर लगाते हो, 2-3 गाने गाते होगे पूरे इस टाइप का.
यार मैं सिर्फ ये कहूंगा कि आयुष डेफिनेटली गॉट टैलेंट.
Thank you.